Purdue University Polytechnic students, they're uniquely qualified for opportunities we have.
Purdue Polytechnic graduates are unique because their perspectives are molded by the curriculum, new ideas, innovation, and forward thinking.
Their hands-on practical knowledge will be valuable for our operations.
Polytechnical graduates will be uniquely qualified to work at a place like Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory. All those technology students, it's a perfect match for what we do.
I think they're uniquely qualified because they get the people side of the business. Woodmark in particular, they've hired quite a few graduates from the Polytech.
After a brief orientation, they're on the front line of a major manufacturing company.
We found that we highly prefer Purdue Polytechnic graduates. They do come with the problem-solving skills and that critical thinking pathway.
Purdue Polytechnic students are uniquely qualified. They have the experience in the cutting-edge technology, so that will really help us grow our company and come up with new ideas.